Hello there, this is an introduction video to a new software engineering practice known as continuous integration. My name is Wei Cong and let's get started. Continuous integration is part of an agile methodology practice known as extreme programming. There are also other components to extreme programming, but it's not within the scope of this video. Why continuous integration? Continuous integration provides guidelines about the best practices for easy code integration by encouraging developers to integrate tested code on a daily basis. Meet Mary and John. Both of them are developers currently using the waterfall development lifecycle. Integration happens in the last week. During integration, they realize the work they have done has some integration bugs. More time is spent solving bugs and they may not be able to complete their project in time. If Mary and John had used the continuous integration, things would have been different. Instead of integrating at the end, they would integrate daily. They would commit code that has been tested to a repository at the end of the day. Mary and John, when they start their work every day, will pull the code from the repository. Mary and John will resolve integration bugs on a daily basis and time is saved as the possible cost of the problem is minimized. In conclusion, instead of spending time at the end to solve integration bugs, they can now save time as integration bugs can be traced to their cause easily when daily integration is practiced. There are three parts in continuous integration: version control, build automation, and deployment automation. Version control states that developers have to write code and have a central place for code to reside in. Written code also has to be committed on a daily basis, and all commits have to be built and tested to be working. This is so that code conflict can be resolved as early as possible. This reduces the number of conflicts that one has to resolve at the end of the development cycle. Build automation suggests that all builds should be automated as much as possible. Existing tools such as Make allows builds to be automated very easily by running a set of commands whenever a build is required to be run. Build automation also makes building code very fast, as commands can be run very easily in sequential order as a script. Deployment automation makes it very easy for code to be written, tested, and pushed for the public's use. Deployment automation consists of writing automated tests that handles the different scenarios of possible use cases and test them with dummy input data. I have used continuous integration for my own personal team projects and have been encouraging other developers to use it at my current workplace. From there, I've learned that continuous integration is not something that is very easy to switch over to from another methodology, and it will definitely take some time for developers to be used to continuous integration and use it in their daily work. I feel that the technology will last for at least another decade, as it is still very new and certain parts of the practices are not available for use yet. If you would like to use continuous integration, check out these tools that support continuous integration and make it much easier to build, test, and deploy code.
Created using Powtoon.